So I've done. Now I'll pass the two parameters in the square brackets over here as the syntax mentions, $name and $ID. Okay. So it's done. Now I will going to print it like the record has been updated successfully. This will give me the appropriate output, like the functionality has been done properly or not. So it is echo inside. I'll say record updated. Okay, full stop. Then I'll include break. Okay, I'm done with it. Now I will also include a link like to go back. If you want to see successfully that your record has been done or not, so I will say echo, include an anchor tag, a href edit record. So this edit records will be mentioned in my what you can see is the routes.php. We'll work on that, how it is to be mentioned over there. I will include it in the codes, appropriate codes over here. Yeah. Edit records, and I'll say here as click here, and my anchor tag is over. And after that, I'll say click here to go back or go back to the previous page. That's all. It's done. So I've created my controller. Now let's go to like create two views over here. So I'll open a new file. I'll create inside resources. I'll create two views. So here one is to see like show view, another one is to edit it. So it is inside resources views. The view name will be user. Sorry, we need to create a file, right? So it's a new save as resources views. Here I'll see it will be a PHP file, PostScript PHP file. My user will be injected with the blade, so that is user edit view dot blade dot php. Here I'll create a normal template, so just include the HTML tags immediately before creating any kind of confusion. HTML tags will be there, my head will be also be included. Oh, and the head will also have title in it, so my title is nothing but user management. I'm going to give the common title all over, user management title. Done. Now I'll create a body tag. Inside body will be my appropriate table, which will give me the tabular records. So I'll include a table over here, that is table border equal to 1. Okay. And the border will give me the proper distinction, so we are always including border. Table border equal to 1, tr, okay, tr, td, id, td, name, td. I'll include 3 columns, so that will be name, id, and one thing will be edit. The edit will give me the link, so that will be included in my next column. So I completed with one row, start up with the other row. Before that, I'll include a for each loop, so it will be like at for each $users as $user. Okay. So here in this for each loop, I will include another row which will run according to the loop, that is tr. So here I'll say td. One column will have id, so that will be included over here. That is $user id. td $user name. td anchor tag a href equal to edit $user id, edit anchor tag close td. Okay, so that was for now, and I'll end my for each, that is at end for each. Okay, so this was my one view, that is I included the tables in the particular format, in the particular form, like id, name, and the edit thing. I'll create another view, and that view will be nothing but focusing on how to update it. It will give me the output appropriately, like after the updation has been done. So there I will take an input like the one which we took here as a username, and this username will be given as the input to the query, and the name will be updated accordingly to the mentioned id. So it's like your name is updated where the id is given below. So let's create that particular view.